Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this looks familiar, I'm actually filming 2 videos today. My daughter is still sleeping, so I'm gonna go with it and just, film another rambly journal with me video. I have this page that I filled out earlier, and I thought I would just finish it off. I had a lunch date with Momo Loves Paper and Esther Molina's art, and we took some lovely photos. I will of course post their information down below, but we took out her stamps, and Esther got there first, and she was able to get like this sofa seating where it has like a nice long table, so we were able to take out our stamps and really play along while we ate yummy lunch. This was my lunch. It was like a vegetable pasta dish, and we had some pancakes for dessert, and the pancakes were so fluffy, so fluffy. So yeah, I thought I would just kind of, I don't know, play with you while I'm here. I was going to tip this in, but I think I'm just gonna actually just stick it in there instead of tipping it in. Actually, I don't know, what should I do? Let's see if I can find some. I mentioned this in the other video, but this is a lovely little book of papers from Jessica Rapp, 2 silver oranges. When I made a purchase, she included this, I guess, like as a small gift, and it's really nice because it's not bound, so you can easily take out some papers that you want. Like if I wanted to use, but I have too much green there, but that would have been perfect. Just to, maybe I will add this in so that I can show you what I mean. Because it's not bound, I can easily slip this out and rip some paper that I want to use, because I don't really have washi tape. I do have washi tape, but it's packed up in the boxes, so I think that would be perfect. So maybe I'll just kind of tip that in, and that will still remain as some color on the page. I can journal about it, and then this one I will stick down up here. So that's what I will do. Can you hear her? She's snoring. So cute. Alright, so there's that, and then I'm going to tip this in. I'm going to try, I think I have 1 roll in here of washi tape. There's this one right here. I don't think I have any of my washi tape samples, unfortunately. So let's just use this for now, and I'll just tip this in. And if you're not familiar with the terminology of tipping, it's just sticking a piece. It doesn't have to be a photo. It could be like a postcard, or even if it's like a receipt or a piece of paper, sticking something onto the page so that you can just kind of flip it in and out. It just allows you to use the page. It gives you more paper real estate, I guess you can say, in a way. So let's use that. This is going to be another one of those rambly videos, and I hope you don't mind. I find that this is easiest because then I don't have to edit too much out. I mean, of course, I still edit a little bit. But yeah, so there's that. I can even journal on the back there. I'm going to put this back in here so that I don't forget or I don't lose the paper. And that's the cool thing about this, is that, and it's such a perfect size for my pencil case. And I was going to stick this one in there. So I don't know what it is, but I think it's just stress related, most likely. But I have these horrible hives on just my legs. So, initially I thought, okay, maybe it is something that I ate. But then if it's something that I ate, then it would be all over, right? I don't know. It would be it should be all over my body. So then I thought, is it the detergent? Is it the soap? Is it the clothes? Like, I don't know. I don't understand, because it's just on my legs. But it's starting to kind of dissipate. It's starting to disappear a little bit, so thank goodness for that, because oh, it was just driving me insane. I don't know if it's stress related or I kind of want to line this up here. I just did earlier. Use the watercolors and the water brush to write this out. I'm still trying to learn how to do the writing, like writing as in script, but I'm not very good with that. So yes, today is an overcast day yet again. We had only a couple of days where the sun came out, but hopefully it's not too dark. I'm sitting right by the window there, so you might hear some cars drive by. And I have this really big sticker. I think I'm just going to stick that there. I was going to stick it in my traveler's notebook, but let's just stick that right here. My son, I like to read these quotes. My son celebrated his birthday yesterday. At the preschool, the teachers said things like, "Wow, you're 3 already. You can dress by yourself. And it's time to use the big boy's toilet." I think the pressure got to him. When he left for home, he told his teacher, "I'm done being 3. So cute. All right, and let's add a bit of border here with some... I don't know. I don't have my other markers there, my other pencil case. So I'm just gonna... Oh, it's kind of hard to see, the yellow. Let's just add a border here. Maybe that's good in a way that it's kind of hard to see. It's not too bright. Let's just do a bit of lining here. Like I mentioned in my other video, I'm going to really miss not being home for the holidays. My sister just messaged me. She's like, "What do you want for Christmas?" I'm going to send it with you. Send it with my parents. My parents are going to come visit, so. Alright, so there's that page. I don't know. I'm almost finished, I think. I want to add, maybe I was going to add this one here. This sticker here. Or, this coffee is nice too. But then there's coffee on this side, so let's do this right here. It's been almost 8 minutes now. I don't want to keep you too long, so I think I'll leave it here. Really, really quick and easy. Just add some photos and some watercolor. Use some markers to kind of add some borders and things like that, and washi tape if you have some to use for tip-ins, so it allows me to journal all this space here and some on the back as well. And this really cute paper binder, paper folder. I think it would be really nice. I know I'm going to kind of ramble a bit here, but I've been thinking about creating like one of these types of folders for my junk journal. I really, really, really miss my junk journal, and I just have so many random papers that I really like to use, and I tell myself, oh, I want to use this in my junk journal. So I think I'll make just one of these really easy ones, these paper folders that, you know, you don't have to really bind, you just stick in with an elastic. That way, I did this method with my summer travel junk journal, or it's not really a junk journal, but it was my summer travel journal last year, and I housed it in my pink Lady Falcon Traveler's Notebook. I don't know if you remember that video, but if I remember to, I will post a link down below. And I carried it with me when I had to travel to Osaka, and it was perfect. It was, you know, it had all the pages that I wanted to use in my journal, and because I was able to pick out the pages, like pick out the papers that I wanted to include, it was nice and cohesive, and I really, really liked it. So I think I'm going to do the same for my junk journal so that I can carry it around with me where I am. All right. It's almost 10 minutes, so I will leave it at that. I want to say thank you so much for sticking by, listening to my daughter snore in the background. Hopefully it's not too loud. And yes, thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.